Omni Aircraft Sales is proud to bring to the market this 2007 Hawker 400XP located in Tulsa, Oklahoma. This aircraft is ready for immediate delivery. The engines are enrolled on the Vector Aerospace VMAX Gold program, and the airframe is enrolled on the Textron Increased Flight Activity Inspection program. The aircraft is configured with 7 cabin seats, 1 aft belted lavatory, plus the pilot and co-pilot seat. Refurbished in 2017, the interior has a light tundra gray carpet, silver pearl ultra leather seats, and rich espresso woodwork. A 10.4-inch LCD monitor can be found in the forward and aft sections of the aircraft. The aircraft is also equipped with GoGo ATG 4000 Wi-Fi, thrust reversers, anti-ice, and Freon air conditioning. If you're in the market for a Hawker 400XP for business or personal travel, this aircraft is for you. Contact the experts at Omni Aircraft Sales today.